filmmakers, meron tayo sa mga aspiring photographers. Siyempre, mawawala pa naman sa mga aspiring digital graphic artists natin dyan. Hindi! Kaya eto papakita ko sa inyo ay ang mga astig na mga gawa ng mga design graphic artists natin dyan here in the Philippines. Kaya naman, papakita ko na sa inyo at malay nyo, makakuha pa kayo ng tips. Kakaiba na talaga ang mga artworks ngayon at sa tulong na rin ng mga samot-saring digital software, nagpapaganda, nagpapabago at nakakapagsama-sama ng mga old and new style. And ito ang pinatunayan ng mga local digital artists with their cutting-edge creative techniques and graphic-inspired paintings. One of the works is by Paul Guadacomeda, isang storyboard ng mga di malilimutang pangyayari sa kanyang buhay.
Ito nga pala yung artworks ko. Actually, digital siya. Parang masasabi ko parang love story ko siya. Every frame, meron siyang storya.
Ang creation naman ni Nels Humol ay isang old-style painting, enhanced by his own touch, computer graphic design.
So, yung works ko basically are, what do you call this, digital collages. So basically, you do the compositing in Photoshop. Tapos layout mo doon, parang you have to do everything. Dapat parang almost finished product na siya sa Photoshop. Tapos binabato ko sa Painter. So that, yun, para mag-paint overrun ko siya, para magkakaroon ng ganyang klaseng, effect.
Eto naman ang gawa ni Collision Fury. Sa sobrang ganado nila, pati pader, ginawa nilang artwork.
It's a coagulation of these different pieces, but we have analog and some digital aspects of the work.
I try to incorporate anything I do on the computer. So for example, some of the stuff here you'll see are actually Xerox transfers, which they look like stamps. So I just did like some form of textures for the computer. Yeah, I added some of the stuff there in the background.
Ang inserts naman, out of this world ang obra. Mukhang nasa ibang dimension yata sila nung ginagawa nila to.
Yung work namin na to is actually, it's our upcoming character series. Ito yung Sampal Kids na first time namin in-exhibit actually dito.
Ang Team Manila naman ay may bagong miyembro at siyang may idea ng artwork na ito.
Yung digital aspect ng piece namin, even though silkscreen saka watercolor, nag-start off pa rin siya. Ginamit namin yung manipulation of computers saka with yung drawing ni Mika sa artwork namin called Reyna sa Kalsada.
So, in-attempt ko rin na gumawa talaga ng pang-babae na design. Kasi, ayun, pansin ka medyo. May cowboys ko sa lahat.
Electro Lychee's work is a cute stuffed toy na dinesign muna using the computer.
So, our pieces are the Slush Ninja. So, from a hand-drawn design, we also have digital artworks of the ninjas.
These graphic artists definitely prove na ang mga old style fused with modern techniques produce great art.